And for dinner we have
This is embarrassing.
1 small can of chicken and a bag of Doritos.
We thought we were gonna get to town before camping.
This is our delicious breakfast. Oreos,
With the apple
peanut
in
butter,
there.
and an
We're
apple.
not savages.
Everything went fine until we got to the BLM land and the oil light came on. Hopefully we will check things out in the morning and it's just some fluke. Really disappointed that the oil light came on way up here, but otherwise it's a very peaceful, quiet, and comfortable night. I think it's a nice spot.
Actually shook a spider out of my boots this morning. It's always been a possibility, but it has never happened.
Could not ask for better weather. Gotta try to figure out what's going on with the motorcycle. Plan is check the oil, check the connection of the oil switch, and do a visual inspection of all the connectors, make sure we're not leaking any oil or oil pressure anywhere. And if it looks relatively okay, we'll start the bike and see if that oil light stays off. You know, plan B, I guess, is to see if we can push the bike out of here, which is not going to be an easy task. We're up a dirt road pretty far, so we'd have to get out of here first. And you know, it's downhill, so hopefully we could coast part of the way if we have to. First things first, coffee and a muffin.
I want your muffin.
The muffin's pretty good.
Is yours smashed?
No, bran muffin. Good for the bowel movement.
Ew.
All right, let's check the oil and find out what the situation is. We got oil. We're about half oil, which, you know, is lower than you want, but that should not be a problem, in my experience. Now I'm gonna check for a possible false ground. Does the switch open or close when there's pressure? Well, this test isn't doing me much good. I can't remember if the switch is open or closed. Do you know?
No, but I may have to use the washroom in a few minutes.
No oil light. This is good. That's good. No oil light came on. Just keep an eye on it as we go down. Maybe it was just the engine was running hard. It's a little bit low and we were at an incline, so the oil maybe moved away from where it should have been. We got the good stuff.
I think we're at Cape Mendocino, which is the westernmost point of California. I've never been here before. It's so cool. Too small.
We were planning to camp here at Wailaki Campground, but it is closed due to hazard trees. Now we're going to continue down this road. And there's supposed to be another couple campgrounds, so hopefully one of those is open. This park is closed as well, so I don't know why this was closed. This is number 4 that's closed. Whoa, this was our 5th stop looking for an open campground. This is pretty sweet. It's another state park, and it's in the redwoods, so we're sleeping beneath redwoods tonight. So I guess all's well that ends well. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. Let us know what you thought in the comments below, and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our next video. We'll see you on the road.